So here is a simple lesson in subdividing. Remember, subdividing is when we break the beat into smaller counts. So for eighth notes, each one of those is only a half a count. So we would want to subdivide each beat into 2 equal parts. So that's why we have the and. If we have 16th notes, we have to subdivide the beat into 4 equal parts, which is why we say 1 E and a. Notice that we still have the and in there, which is where the half a count is. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to count 1 measure of quarter notes, and then 1 measure of eighth notes, and then 1 measure of 16th notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Now let's see if we can do each one for 2 measures. So 2 measures of quarter notes, 2 measures of eighth notes, and 2 full measures of 16th notes. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Now let's see if we can do 1 measure of quarter notes, 1 measure of eighth notes, 1 measure of 16th notes, back to eighth notes for a measure, and then quarter notes for a measure. Because it's one thing to keep speeding it up twice as fast, but sometimes we also have to come from 16th notes and go back down to eighth notes. So let's practice that. 1 measure of quarters, then eighths, then 16ths, then back to eighths, and then back to quarters. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and